Today, I'll walk you through how we are transforming the insurance validation process in healthcare, moving from manual start forms to an AI-powered automated workflow. In today's healthcare workflow, everything begins with a start form. Healthcare providers fax these forms with patient, insurance, and prescription details. Staff then manually review the faxes, type the information into Salesforce or payer portals, and check insurance eligibility and benefits. If something is missing or unclear, they have to call the HCP office and go back and forth until all information is correct. Only then can the insurance be approved and the medication shipping begin. This entire process is slow, manual, and error-prone. But it's not just one form at a time. A single fax or a PDF may contain multiple patient start forms, each with its own insurance cards. Sometimes irrelevant insurance cards are included that don't even belong to any patient. On top of that, these forms often contain handwritten details, and penmanship varies from provider to provider, making it very hard for staff to read consistently. Sorting through all this manually makes the process even more complex and error-prone. So let's quickly go through how we are automating the entire process. We can see that there's a single start form for patient Olivia Reynolds spanning 2 pages. And then an insurance card but for Emily T. Thompson, which makes it irrelevant to the patient start present above. The process begins by classifying and organizing these documents. The system detects if the file contains single or multiple patient start forms. It automatically maps each patient form to the correct insurance card, filters out any irrelevant ones, and then processes each patient individually. This ensures every form is correctly structured right from the start. Once these forms are classified, we use OCR to extract patient, provider, and insurance details automatically. But OCR isn't perfect, especially when dealing with unclear handwriting or poor scan quality. That's why we've added a confidence-aware fallback writing system to ensure accuracy. Here's how it works. Our default OCR engine extracts fields and assigns confidence scores. If a field falls below the threshold, only that specific field is routed back to fallback OCR engines. We then compare the results and select the value with the highest confidence. This way, we don't reprocess the entire document, only the uncertain fields. It makes the system efficient while handling the ambiguity of handwritten penmanship by leveraging multiple OCR engines. Here we can see how we map values, confidence scores, and the OCR engine used to extract each of these values against the fields. Here's an example of how confidence-aware fallback writing works. For this field, the system wasn't fully sure of its reading. It was only 87% confident. So instead of leaving it uncertain, it sent the field back to another OCR engine to double-check. From the different results, the most reliable one was chosen, in this case, from Textract. But what if data is missing altogether or still unclear? That's where we bring in a voice agent. The agent automatically calls the HCP office and informs them that a secure form link has been sent to their email.
Hello Bayview Medical Groups. This is an automated call from Novartis Patient Support. We've reviewed your start form for your patient P413. There are some missing fields. Press 1 to send a secure form link. Press 2 to connect with a patient resource specialist now, or press 3 to repeat all options. Please press 1, 2, or 3 to select an option. I'll send you the form link now. Please wait while we process your request. Your form link has been sent to your email address. Thank you for using our service. Goodbye.
If the form isn't filled, the voice agent automatically reminds the HCP office up to 3 more times until the form is completed.
Hello Bayview Medical Groups. This is a reminder call from Novartis Patient Support regarding your start form for patient P413. We still need some missing information. Press 1 to send a secure form link. Press 2 to connect with a patient resource specialist now, or press 3 to repeat all options. Please press 1, 2, or 3 to select an option.
By clicking the Track Outbound Call button, you will be able to track forms that have been sent out, those that have been submitted, those that are still pending, and those that have been escalated. You can see the data of the file that we just ran. and the missing fields as well. This form contains the missing fields as well as the low confidence fields that need review. The link is secure, has an expiration time, and ensures data is updated safely. And in the outbound tracking page, we can see that the data that we just filled is mapped correctly against those missing fields. And the form is now completed as well. Putting it all together, our automated workflow looks like this. Forms are first received digitally in S3. They are classified and mapped to the correct patients and insurance cards. Data is extracted with OCR and fallback routing ensures accuracy. Handwritten fields are handled with special care, routed across multiple OCR engines for best accuracy. Missing or low confidence data is resolved through voice calls and secure form links. Finally, clean and validated data flows into Salesforce and payer systems, enabling insurance validation and medication shipping without manual data entry.